Dear summer standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.2. Here we discuss about the unit digits of a number. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.2. Here we discuss about the unit digit of a number in exponential form. Listen, in exponential term, a power n. Here n is the power and a is the base. We know that very well. Now, if a ends with 0, a means base. If base ends with 0, that means 10, 20, 30, that is the number ends with 0. The based on the powers, what should be in unit digits of the result? That is the unit digit of a number. Listen, the first one, if a ends with 0, that means base ends with 0 and the power is natural number, anything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything it is, the unit digit comes 0. For example, 10 power 3. Listen, the basis ends with 0, power is 3. So 10 into 10 into 10. 10 power 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. We get 1000. So the unit digit means ones digit. Ends with 0. That is the unit digit is 0. That is the first one. Next, if the number ends with 1, the base number ends with 1, n is natural number. Now unit digit is 1. Unit digit also 1. The result comes with the unit digit 1. So for example, 21 squared. 21. The digit is ends with, the number is ends, base is ends with 1. Okay. The power is 2. Now its result is 21 into 21, 441. The result, the unit digit of the result is 1. And then if the number ends with 4, the base ends with 4, n equal to 1, 3, 5, that means odd numbers. The powers in odd numbers means we get the result of unit digit is 4. Listen, 4, base number is 4 and the power is 3. That is odd number, no? Power is odd number. We get the result 64. That unit digit is 4. 4 power 1 is also 4. That unit digit also 4. Next, 4 power 3, 64. That unit digit also 4. Next one, the number ends with 4. Same thing, base number is 4. N equal to 2, 4, 6. That means even numbers. Then unit digit is 6. Listen, 4, base number 4. Power is even number 4. Okay. Even number means we get the result 256. It is the unit digit with the unit digit 6. Listen, odd numbers means ends with the unit digit is 4. Even number means its unit digit is 6. Next, if the number ends with 5 and 6, 56 or 65, these are the number ends with 5 and 6. N is natural numbers, anything it is. The unit digit also 5 and 6. For example, 5 squared, 5 power, base is the 5, power is n, that is natural number, anything it is. It comes with the digit, unit digit 25, unit digit 5. Next, 6 power anything in natural number, we get the result with the unit digit 6. Listen, 6 power 3 equal to 216. Its unit digit is 6. Next one, if the number ends with 9, that means 29, 39, 19, 9, 89, etc. These numbers, the unit number is 9. when n equal to odd numbers. The power is in odd numbers means we get the unit digit of the result is 9. Next unit digit is 1 when n equal to even. The power is in even means we get the unit digit of the result will 1. Listen, first n equal to base equal to 9, okay. Next n equal to odd, that means 3, 1, 3, 5, that numbers like 3. For example, 9 power 3 equal to, we get the result, the result of unit digit 9. Listen, 9 power 3 equal to 729. The unit digit is 9. And 9 squared, base 9, power is an even number, that means we get the unit digit 1, 81. So 1 is the unit digit. Let me see the exercise sums. In exercise 3.2, first question, fill in the blanks. Unit digits of 124 into 36 into 980. Listen, 124, here nothing is there means power 1. Listen here, it is a base ends with 4, power is odd number means we get the unit digit of result 4 only. Next 36 power 1, 6 power 1, the unit digit is 6. Next 980, 0, in power anything is there, it ends with 0 only, the answer ends with 0. So multiply this means 24 into 0, so we get the result 0. So answer 0. Next, when the unit digit of the base and its expanded form of that number is 9, then the exponent must be dash power. Listen, 9 power odd number means we get, what's that, 9, right? 9 power even number, that means 9 square 81 we get, the unit digit is 1. So listen here, unit digit of the base and its expanded form of the number is 9. Expanded form of the number is 9. The unit digit also number 9. Then the exponent must be, exponent means power must be, that is odd power, right? The exponent must be in odd number. Then only we get the unit digit 9. That is the answer. Next one, match the following exponential form unit digit of the number. Listen, 20 power 10. 20 power 10. The base ends with 0. Power is anything, natural number. That means we get the unit digit of the result 0. Next one, 121 power 11. The base ends with 1. Power is anything, natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the natural numbers. So anything is there. Here 11. We get the unit digit of the result 1 only. Next one, 444. The one base of the base ends with 4. Power is 41. Odd number or even number? Odd number. Odd number means we get the unit digit 4. So that is third. In case it is even number means we get the result of unit digit 6. So 25 power 100. 5. Base is 5. So power is anything. It ends with the unit digit. What is that? 5 only. Next one, 716 power 83. Listen, the base number ends with 6. 6 power anything. It gives the result unit digit of 6 only. So that is 5. Next, 729. Here the base unit digit is 9. Ends with 9. Power is 725. That is odd number. Odd number means the unit digit. The result of unit digit is 9. That is the answer. Third sum, find the unit digit of expanded form. First one, 25 power 23. Listen how to write it is unit digit of the base. What is the base here? 25. Its unit digit is 5. Next, power. Power is what? 23. Odd or even? Anything it is, because unit digit of base is 5. So 5 power, odd or even power it is ends with, their answer ends with 5 only. So unit digit of 25 power 23 is 5. Next one, 11 power 10. Listen, unit digit of base equal to and power equal to, then unit digit of 11 power 10 is dash. Listen, unit digit of base is 1. What is base here? 11. Its 1's digit, that is unit digit is 1 and power is 10. Base is 1. Whatever in the power, that is even or not, even or odd, anything, it is, we get the result of unit digit 1 only. Next one, 46 power 15. Unit digit of base. Base is what for here? 46. Its unit digit is 6. Next, power 15. 6. Its power is 15, that is odd number. Base is 6. So what we have to get? 6 only. Next one, 100 power 12. Unit digit of base. What is base here? 100. Its unit digit is 0. Power is 12. It is even or odd. The number ends with 0. The power is whatever it is. The unit digit of the result. Unit digit of 100 power 12 is 0. Next one, 29 power 21. Listen, unit digit of base. What is base here? 29. Its unit digit is 9. Power is 21. It is odd number. So 9 power odd number means what we have to get? Its result ends with 9 only. Even number means we get the result ends with 1. Here odd number, so 9 only. Next one, 19 power 12. Unit digit of base equal to, what is base? 19. It ends with 9 only. So power equal to 12. Here the power is even number. Even number means unit digit what? Unit digit of 19 is 19 power 12 is 1. Next one, 24 power 25. Unit digit of base. Base is 24. So unit digit of base is 4. Power with 25. 4 power 25. Base is 4. Power is odd number. That means unit digit is what? Unit digit of 24 power 25 is odd number, means we get the unit digit of the result is 4. Next one, 34 power 16. Unit digit of base equal to 4. Unit digit means ones digit, base is 4 and power 16, it is even number. Base 4, power is in even number, means we get the result of unit digit. What is that? 6. That is the answer. Fourth sum, find the unit digit of the following numerical expressions. First one, 104 power 20 plus 115 power 21 plus 116 power 22. Listen, first we have to find out the unit digits of 114, 115 and 116. Listen, 114 power 20. What is the unit digit? Listen, base, unit digit of the base 4. Power in even. Then what is the unit digit? Power even means we get 6 is the even number, unit digit. And then unit digit of 115 power 21. Listen, base unit digit is 5. Power is in odd. Odd or even, we get the unit digit 5 only. And then unit digit of 116 power 22. Listen, base, unit digit of base is 6 and power is 22, even number. So we get, what is that? 6 only. So sum of the unit digit, that means 114 power 20 plus 115 power 21 plus 116 power 22, that is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 6, 17. So unit digit of 114 power 20 plus 115 power 21 plus 116 power 22 is equal to, which one is the unit digit? 7. That is the answer. Next one, unit digit of 10,000 power 10,000. the base unit digit is 0. So power whatever it ends with 0 only. Next, unit digit of 11,111 power 11,111. 1 power anything, an even number or odd number, whatever it is, it gives the result of unit digit 1 only. So now sum of unit digit, that is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. Now the unit digit of 10,000 power 10,000 plus 11,111 11,111 is 1 only. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.2 is over. So children, practice it. I will see you again in next exercise. Thank you.